how to find your user ID on Discord. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your user ID on Discord step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Discord app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, just tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now once you are in the settings section, what you have to do is simply scroll down to the bottom, and there you simply have to tap on advanced option. Now here in this section, just under the general mode, there you'll see the option labeled as developer mode. So simply toggle on this option, and now here once you're done with it, what you have to do is simply go back to the chat settings in there, and from there you simply have to open any chat. And here once you are inside the chat, you simply have to tap on the username at the top, and from there you simply have to tap on your Discord name. And after that, on the pop-up menu, you simply have to tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right side of the screen. And now from there, you simply have to tap on copy user ID. And here, once you have copied your user ID, then you can simply paste your user ID on any chat to know your Discord user ID. And that's it. That's how you can find your user ID on Discord easily. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.